thing's tight.
Looks like a muffler.
This new Kerma intake. That shit is tight.
Yeah.
You probably could actually. Let me see that for 1 second. I mean, the intakes are laid out the same. Yeah, yeah, you could do it. Yeah, but
How about the sensor?
yeah, the sensor, the math.
Probably be cheap.
So how do you do this? Does it give you an adapter? Like a little nipple?
Oh no, they didn't.
Damn. Oh, you might be onto something. Look at that. Look at that. I like that. That was OEMAF. Pull that back out, because we gotta put this clamp on it.
Well, we gotta put all sorts of clamps on.
I know that, but I just wanted to. I want you to do it on the video.
Okay.
Put that piece back on real quick and remove it. I don't think I was filming.
This thing?
Yeah, so you gotta take this hose off. No, you don't gotta do it all the way like that. Just pull this thing off. Put that back in. I like that. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I wasn't filming shit. It was like over here.
I mean, mine was too wet.
I was trying to film, but I was like this.
I need a freaking ratchet.
Got all the ratchets you need. They're over there in the second drawer down on the left side.
Where are those taillights from?
You just need to clear this from, yeah, that. There's tabs on the side.
Is it on the sides?
Yeah, on the sides. It's easier to just push it down with this. Lift it up. So I want it off now. You gotta, don't forget about that. Oh, it already came off. This thing I was talking about.
Not connected to nothing. See that?
Oh, yeah. I don't know, but all the cars taking the map off now. Gotta switch that over. Do the holes line up like that, or you gotta flip it?
Oh yeah, I think it goes this way.
Angled down like that?
Yeah.
You should just take the whole thing off. What are you taking off right now? Oh, okay.
Hey Richard, you want some engine mounts?
Huh?
I already tried to sell them to him.
You want some engine mounts?
Oh, you know, they would go in right now because we got to pull your mounts off. I'm serious though.
I'll give you a good deal.
What brand?
They're the BSH one, the black ones that I had on my Mark 6. Yeah, I sold them to him, and they were way too aggressive on a diesel.
Oh man, that's rough.
It shook like the Robo Yell at Kings of Dominion. I liked it though, but there's something wrong with me, so.
It was just way too aggressive for a daily driven car, a daily driven diesel car.
That's true.
I can't believe you've had this car for so long and you haven't put an intake on it.
Well, this didn't come out until like 2 weeks ago, a week ago. Everything else, every other intake on the market was like garbage.
How much was this one?
wonder if it's gonna be like.
I don't know. It doesn't have a diverter valve, so all we would hear is just turbo.
Wait, how does it not have a diverter?
Science, Eddie. Duh.
Huh?
Doesn't have a throttle body.
Yeah, but where? You got your hose clamp on there?
Oh yeah.
Should. The hell was it?
I don't know what that was.
Maybe this is upside down.
Why?
Because it's like thrown off this angle here. Huh? Yeah. They're fucking with you.